Matcha Slim. Invigorating great Japanese green tea for weight loss. Matcha Slim is a very old way to lose weight which gives a slim figure. It accelerates metabolism. Starts the process of losing weight. Gives energy. Matcha Slim proven effectiveness in reducing weight. Matcha Slim is an effective product for safe and fast weight loss. This tea has passed clinical trials from top research centers in Europe and Asia. Participants in the one-course Matcha Slim research experienced the following effects: improved health, strengthened immunity, eliminated persistent fatigue, normalized sleep and wake times, and increased energy. Positive research data shows how effective Matcha Slim is. Why you should take Matcha Slim. Matcha Slim is a natural source of antioxidants, a powerful anti-fat and energizing product. With regular use, lose weight and keep results. Fatigue goes away. Sleep returns to normal. Your overall health gets better. Cholesterol level is reduced. Enthusiasm in life increases. Matcha Slim gives the effect of a powerful tonic. It helps in rapid weight loss and prevents back weight gain. Matcha Slim. There is a drink of emerald green color for health and lean. Matcha Slim has the following benefits. Purifies the body by removing toxins from it. Improves overall health. Speeds up metabolism by 8-10 times. Starts fat burning process by activating lipolysis. Brings back energy and enthusiasm. Does not allow the skin to loosen but tightens. Matcha Slim better formula for harmony of body and soul. Matcha green tea extract. It contains antioxidants, catechins, chlorophyll, theophylline, riboflavin and L-theanine. It helps in rebuilding the body, flushes out toxins, burns fat and increases stamina. Taurine. Taurine participates in the metabolism of fats, thereby reducing appetite, expels excess water from the body, metabolism is accelerated, get energy. Citric acid extract. Binges out toxins, salts and excess water, accelerates metabolism, helps with safe weight loss, improves intestinal function and enhances body defenses. Matcha Slim. It is considered the best way to lose weight. According to independent research, Matcha Slim is considered the best way to lose weight. Its active components speed up the metabolism and speed up the burning of subcutaneous fat manifold. Matcha tea has helped thousands of people around the world lose weight. This will benefit you too. Matcha Slim is a valuable source of vitamins and antioxidants. To be lean, there is no need to cut down on food or exercise for hours in the gym. The secret to a slim body was uncovered long ago by ancient Japanese rulers: matcha tea leaves. Especially this plant has become the main ingredient of the drink. Matcha Slim is a new product that is based on an ancient method and is enriched with active ingredients that suppress appetite by accelerating metabolism. Matcha tea has a very strong taste. It contains antioxidants and vitamins that actively participate in the metabolism and increase its speed manifold. This is great if you want to look beautiful, not be moody, want to get rid of all the tiredness all the time, cure a lack of sleep on time and improve your health. You would have benefited from Matcha Slim.